Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So in the last video, we had discussed the topics related to the G underscore form inside few methods we had discussed. In the same way, in the part 2, I had come up with different kind of methods, and this time I had taken the example, at least one simple scenario, and I will try to explain it for each of one method from types. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe this. Usually we will be keep on uploading the videos related to the service now and job opportunities also. You can subscribe and click on the notification button so that you will be getting notified whenever we are uploading the videos. And also for live sessions, usually you can keep calling us below mentioned number. And also one important note, I usually talk bit slow. You can watch this video at 1.25x for your better convenient. Okay, let's quickly pitch it to the video. So in this, see here, these methods. Okay, today we are going to be seeing these methods. Okay, in next also there were different kind of methods. I will show it to you. These methods, okay, whatever you are seeing here, these methods are related to the form submission control related methods. Most of them are, because these methods, likely saving the form. While saving, what method will be executed in the form level from each and every script. Okay, it kind of any script, it kind of any on load or on change or on submit. So any kind of script, if you wanted to be utilize them, probably you will be in the backend, you will be using this in the real time also. Very first method, G underscore form dot save. Dot save. Save means it saves the current form without submitting it. Okay. So usually we will be using this G underscore form related methods. Inside the methods, or G underscore user related methods will be using in the client scripts, right? In particular table, whenever you are going to be write any client script, definitely you will be choosing the table name. So whatever you are writing here, that is belongs to the particular table only. So whenever we are writing this, it will be saving the data, it will be saving the record without submitting it, on the particular table whatever we are choosing while writing any client script. Remember, that is what the statement of it. So this is the example code, G underscore form dot save. In the same way, next we have G underscore form dot submit. It is there in the name itself. In the current incident table also we are seeing, right? It helps us to submit the form. See here, G underscore form dot submit. Next one, G underscore form dot table name. What does this table name? Hmm? Table name can help you to get the name of the table of current. Wherever you are on the form, wherever you are writing this JavaScript on that particular table name, it gives you. That is what the statement of this particular method gets, the name of the current table. Okay, see here the structure in the real time. How do you write it? First, G underscore form dot get table name. The output of this table name will be storing in one of the variable. It can be anything, but where, and it can be anything. The table name, you can write anything, AB or BC something, you can write anything. Okay, and next, warning message. See, whenever we were discussing different kind of client scripts, we have used the alert boxes and error messages. So here this is related to the warning. Warning means whenever the page whenever you are writing, you are selecting the client script, at the moment it gives you warning message on the form level, displays a warning message. See here, G underscore form dot a warning message. Hey, this is a warning. Means depends on the client script that you are choosing and utilizing this JavaScript. It gives you the add warning message. Depends on the condition and the requirement. And the next G underscore form add info message. Information message it gives you. See, displays an informational message. And error message gives you error message, kind of error message. That form is, it gives you some error message and error occurred, something like this. In the last video, I had taken some use cases, one of the client script, and explained related to the error message also. Okay. Give me a moment. Let me quickly, show you one of the use cases for one of the method. See here, this is one of the use case for G underscore form. What kind of use cases it is? Scenario automatically saves a form when the user selects high priority ticket. Means this indicates in the form level, okay, whenever we are selecting the priority is high, then automatically your form gets saved without submitting it. That is what the statement that indicates the script. Here in our use cases, we are using the is loading client script, sorry, on change client script. Okay, on change client script, here we have written some the script. If new value is 1, one is what? One is backend value of priority 1, that is critical. Backend value is priority 1. Then I'm writing some error, I am giving some error warning message. Here also you can write, depends on your requirement, info message or error message. Error message usually you don't give, but in this particular, in this kind of scenarios, you can utilize your G underscore form methods. So it gives you the warning message saving due to the high priority, because we are selecting the high priority critical, so that automatically I am saving the form. That is what the statement of it. Okay. So usually design your own use cases and implement it. That's where you will be improve your skills. Okay. Even if I covered multiple scenarios, right, in the requirement, there would be different scenarios, so that you should have to get your own potential, where whenever you get the requirement, you should have to make them into the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, in logical way, and write your own script. Then only you will be improve your skills, ServiceNow developer skills. Okay. And see here, next is form control related methods in the G underscore form. Disable G underscore form, disable attachments and enable attachments. What is disable and what is enable? It is there in the name itself. It disable the attachment, it will be disabled the attachments, okay. It will disable the attachments, it will be enabled the attachments. Attachments means in the form, in the form in the form, if there is any attachment kind of, when it helps us to upload some documentation whatever required, so that it helps us to disable or enable the attachments. In the next 1 minute we will see the requirement also, use cases. See here, I had come up with one of the use cases, simple use case, okay. That is disable unattachments if the user selects confidential data on category field. If the category field is something A and B, C, D and confidential data. These are all the options, inside the category. Okay. If I select CD, then the scenario is something like, then disable the attachments. Disable the attachments means the user should not be able to add or upload the attachments. Okay. For that, here it is the on change client script. Okay. There we will be selecting the category is the condition. Whenever the category changes to confidential new value, then we will be disabled the attachments, and also at the same time giving the error message or warning message. What is that? Attachments. Hey user, attachments are disabled for your confidential data. Else means if it is not confidential, if it is something A or B or C or D option, then enable it. So understand now, it is a very simple business scenario use cases. Okay, you can derive your own use case and implement the rest of methods if needed. The next methods related to the related list. Related list. Related list means what? Related list means if there is a incident form, in the bottom you will be seeing some sections. In the sections related to the incident, it will be having the related data. That is all the related list. Okay. Whenever you are opening the form, you can clearly observe in the bottom you will be seeing the related list. Okay. So see here, first method is set section display. Set section display. What does this set section display? It shows or hides form section. So if there is any section, if you want it to be shown, then you will be writing this set section display as a true, if not false. Set section display in the bracket. Any client script you can utilize these methods, depends on your requirement. Okay. See here, I don't want to show detailed section, then set section display as false. False means it will be hiding. Next, show related list. Show related list. Display or related list. Display or related list. Example, field name is affected underscore CIS. Show related list. It is showing. Next, hide related list. Quite opposite to this, it works. Hides related list. Show related and hides related. Let's quickly see the use cases. See here, the use case I had given. Okay. The use case is something, show the affected CIS related list only when the ticket is of type change request. When the ticket is type of change request, then only show this particular related list. For that we can write on change client script, and if the new value is change request, then show related list. If not, hides the related list. This is a very simple business scenario. You observe it. We are, whatever we learned in different kind of client script, we are implementing these methods, G underscore form methods, nothing more than we are writing here. You know everything, what is old value, what is new value, what is ES loading. If I wanted me to, apply onload client script in run chain, you will be writing your script here inside this. Everything you know, right? You need to just implement it. That's it, ma. Okay. That's it for G underscore form related methods. Okay. And one was there, one I think I had missed out, that is related to the get reference. Okay. get reference. Get reference, it works on the reference field type only. Whenever you want, see here, there is a field type that is magnifying glass. If you wanted to be apply anything or implement any automation here, you will be writing get reference. Reference. Okay, you can check out that in any ServiceNow related documentation. I forgot to show it to you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, and check out, okay, for every playlist it will be maintain over the description, and also for live sessions contact us. Thank you.